Sushant's sister Meetu and AIIMS doctor are now here at Sushant Singh Rajput's house at this point. We'll try and get more updates on this particular development, but these are latest updates at a time where we're also looking at both Souvik Chakravarti and we're looking at Samuel Miranda. Both of them, they will be produced before the court, but parallelly we're also looking at updates coming in from Sushant's house as well. Let me bring in my colleague Mayuresh for those updates. Mayuresh, take us through the details of what's happening at Sushant Singh's house. We understand Sushant's sister Meetu and AIIMS doctor are there. What is the reason for this?
See, reason is still not known and it's not clear, but yes, the information which we are getting from the suburban area of Mumbai, that is Bandra, that's the Meetu, basically a sister of Sushant Singh Rajput, along with the AIIMS team have reached there. So now it would be interesting to see that what exactly they are doing there, because this is the primary information right now we are getting, that Meetu and AIIMS team have reached there. Now it would be interesting to see that what exactly they will be doing there, and will the CBI team also join them or not?
All right, Mayuresh, those are important updates now coming in. But, however, we are still not clear as to what is the purpose right now of the AIIMS doctor that is who's there at Sushant Singh's residence house. But right now, Mayuresh, also help us understand, if we talk about the fact that both Souvik and Samuel Miranda, they were arrested late last night. They will be produced before the court today. But what would it now mean for Rhea Chakravarti? Is there any update now coming in with regards to the WhatsApp chats? Because there were also several indications, Mayuresh, of Rhea's name being taken in those WhatsApp chats as well.
Absolutely, but as of now, NCB has cleared, or we can say clarified, that so far they have not sent summons to any other person, or they are not even conducting searches anywhere in Mumbai related to this case. But yes, as you said, that Rhea Chakravarti's name has appeared in those WhatsApp chats, but it depends on what exactly statement Souvik and Samuel Miranda has given. But that needs to be seen when when they will be produced in the court. That time PP will tell the court that what exactly they have mentioned in their statement. If they have taken Rhea's name, that on basis of Rhea they used to purchase or procure the drugs, then certainly it has a different implication, it has a different meaning, and obviously Rhea will be also summoned. But as of now, NCB has said that they have not issued any summons, or they are not conducting house searches anywhere in Mumbai. Back to you.
All right, Mayuresh, a lot of developments expected today. We'll of course come back to you for all the latest developments for the moment, Mayuresh. Many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those inputs.